To create a cover page for Epub, we need three things. They are title, author, image. Even before you gather your things, it is better you have a balance between typography and layout. There are different ways you can play around with your layout. For typography, try to have some different types and create hierarchy. Lot of EPUB creating tools give you an option to create your images, but basically you will need information on file type, dimensions, file size, file resolution, and image color to determine how you are going to create your image for a EPUB device. Our file type need to be JPEG. Sometimes the device's website tell you that they might accept a file type called TIFF, but it is usually best to have your image as JPEG because of the display variations in different devices. Another important factor that one need to consider is dimensions in pixels. Dimensions of the complete image that includes the title and author. You cannot have a separate image and title and author as a text in the image. The title and author has to be included in the image. The ratio is 6 to 1, 6 being the height, 1 being the width. Minimum height for the JPEG is 2500 pixels. Remember, a device is a web, not a print. So we are not looking at inches, we are looking at pixels. Other three things that we need to pay attention is file size, file resolutions, and file color. When one decides on an EPUB, it is actually a self-contained website. So make sure that you are giving less information possible so that the user have quicker time to upload their EPUB. So basically your cover image should not be longer than 50 MB. The maximum any device will accept is 100 MB, but I will assure you that between 50 and 100 you always go with a minimum, because cover image is only to get the audience attention, not the content. The file resolution for a cover image has to be between 350 dpi to 70 dpi, 70 being the lowest and 350 being the highest. Usually for print we use 300 dpi. So 350 seems to be a higher level, but this is the industry standard. You have to test with your device to know what to do. File color is very important. When you are working on a device, it is always going to be RGB. CMYK is a color that you will use only for print magazines. If one follows these simple tools, they should have a very good image that does not give problem in their device. I hope you have fun creating an image for your EPUB.